Og Ezekiel Bakangoy. Kadugay niyo. Okay, ball goes to outside, out, C, tagatabok. Hawak hindi mo si Kiat. Jump ball. Goes to team proper, TJ. Fast to barrel, out of bounds. Ball goes to Tagaytay. Very pressure ang mga player. And also, the calmness of the audience. Thank you so much. Barro, perimeter. Good. For 2 points, Barro. Oh, yung scoreboard. Yes, yung scoreboard. I know, 2-0. Okay, Anis. Shot clock 15. 10. 5. There's no... Okay, ball goes to team proper. Fast break. Naasi. Oh, hapit. Too short by Itet. Kinjay, 2 points. Kinjay, 9 minutes. Our first quarter, 2-all. Okay, thank you so much, our dear policeman, for the peace and order. Itet, 4-3. Oh, rebound by Hansley. Shot clock 15, intercepted by TJ Sabellion. Joshua. Shot clock down to 15. 10. 2 points, 8. Amin ang padi ko sa pito. There's a whistle. Who's foul rep? TJ Sabellion. First personal foul, jersey number 35. First team foul, team proper. Again, our score is 2-all. Atos at Bangor for 2 days, sorry. Holding foul, ref? 0. First personal foul, second team foul. Oh. Anis, there's a whistle. Who's foul? Okay, double dribble. Second shot clock, Itit. 7 minutes and 20 seconds. 15. 10. Baro for 3. No good. Will Nino is on the drive right now. Number 18. Will Nino. Pass to Cutie. The cuteness. Perimeter. There's a whistle. Pushing foul. Brian Borong. Third team foul. Team proper. First throw. Cutie on the perimeter. Points by Cutie. 3, 4. 3, ang 4 ang pikas. 3 diha sa red. Oh, 4 na. Okay na, girl. So, ano ni Ezekiel? sorry sa scholar. Karon pa yun siya kay ba mo ihap. Okay. Shot clock 10. 5. No good by Itet. Brandon. 6 minutes and 17 seconds. Shot clock 15. 6 minutes and 10. Yate na Will Nino. 2 points, Will Nino. 6 minutes. Shot 10. Jet, no good. Rebound by Jet again. Block, but there's a whistle. Who's foul rep? Will Nino. On the other hand, first personal foul team Tagaytay. Our time is 5 minutes and 35 seconds. 1 point by Baro, number 0. Two-point play by Baro, 1 point again. 6 all ang atong score. Ken J. Cutie, mismatch! 2 points Cutie, basket counted, foul Joshua. Pila. First personal foul. One point by Cutie. Our score now will be 9-6. 9-6. 4 minutes and 55 seconds for the first quarter. Shot clock 15. Shot clock 10. Intercepted by Anis. Anis and Genesis. Double S. 2 points. Anis. 11-6 ang atong score. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Baro, shot clock down to 15. Down to 10. 3 points. Baro. 9-11. 2 points lead. Team Tagaytay. Will Nino. Pass to... Huwag kayo makita. Shot clock down to 10. 5. No good. Oh. Mura mong mga bakokang diya. Joshua. Hala. Bakokang. To. Di Sailo ang ring. Ang ring man ni Sailo. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Will Nino. To Cutie. Why kontra. But too strong. Nagunay mo. Itit. Layup. Good for 2 points. Itit. 11 all. Ha? $15. 3 minutes and 24. 3. Too strong for that shot. Baro. Oh, ayay, out of bounds. Substitution. Out, 11 all. 3 minutes and 10. Ken Jane. Ayaw, clipin mo na volleyball. 3 minutes. Baro. Nice pass by Item. 2 points. 13-11. 2 minutes and 47 seconds. Shot clock 15. 4-3 no good. That was Joshua on the rebound. Pass to Itet, almost intercepted by Anis. Shot clock 15. Oh, look. Perimeter. Good for 2 points. Anis, mismatch for that game. For that play day. Again, atong oras, 2 minutos o 15 segundos. Shot clock down to 15. Too much focus on that for 3. Long 3. Bump, no good. Out. 2 minutes. Substitute. Hansley. Okay, Hansley. Hansley strong. Out. Wala out. 1 minute and 47 seconds. Oh, intercepted. Jibol TZ. Pass to Kyle TZ. Layup 2 points. Kyle TZ. 15-13. Labaw na ang team. Proper for this play. Look, yawak binawag. 1 minute and 30. Shot clock down to 15. Kinsa na? Oh, Hansley. There's a strong move, but I don't know. I didn't see. Oh, 2 points kinsa to. Hansley. 15 all. 1 minute and 15. 20-second shot clock. 15-second shot clock. 4-3. Puts it in by Kyle Sorella. Last 1 minute. 20 shot clock. 55 seconds. 15, shot clock. Oh, there's interception. Shot clock is down to 13. Oh, paghuwat. 13, shot clock. Shot clock 10, 45 seconds. Shot clock 5. Shot clock violation. Kay bounce ako shot clock na siya mag-shot. Seconds to play. 35. Shot clock 20. Joshua driving. 30 seconds. Shot clock down to 15. Borong. Perimeter. Happy birthday Nugget. Seconds to play again. 20. 15. 10. 5. End of the first quarter. Atong score 15-18 about proper. Acknowledge the presence of our mascot. O pwede na mo manguli. Char lang. Okay, nagsugod na di. Ay, uy, ano naman na. Out. TJ is now the dribbler of the team proper. Shot clock 15, TJ 4-3. Pull up Nugget, too strong for that. There's a whistle. Who's foul rep pushing? Number 9, Jesse Ibanez, our chairperson. First personal foul, Jesse Boy. First team foul, team proper. Shot clock 15, Duani to Christian. Oh, second. 10. Oh, intercepted by Genesis. SK counts. Okay, since ang pula man iungot. Okay, so ang duwa, tiwason ugma. Thank you so much. Pwede naman ka. Ikaw kasi naabot. Nagsugod na sila. Oy, kalain. Bula, shot clock. Hinskit. Asa mo hinskit? Amping sa mga mang-duty, amping tanan. Out of bounds. Ball goes to team proper. Sa mga viewers o mga fans nato sa Team Tagaytay for supporting your midget players. Hinaot nga mapadayonon ta na para sa sports. No good. Genesis is strong move. 2 points by Genesis. 8 minutes and 25 seconds. Score 20-15. Shot clock 15. 2 points by Christian. Shot clock down to 10. 8 minutes. Too strong for the layup. Oh, out. Bula sa team Tagaytay. Christian, perimeter. Rebound by the chairperson. 7 minutes and 35 seconds. Shot clock down to 15. Ha? Usa? Okay rin. Oh. For 3. No good. Kita niyo kus tiyan hiyak. 2 points by Christian imong tiyan. Hiyak dito. Hala, Jimboy and Jason. Grabe pulos J ang atong mga encounter karon. Block, but there's a foul by Jesse Boy. Okay, say foul. Third personal foul, Jesse Boy. Oh, isa. Ang foul ng team foul. Okay, double foul man siya. No points. kay nagduwa. 1 point by QT. 18-22 ang atong score in favor of Team Proper. Again, 18-22. Time remaining 6 minutes and 37 seconds. Shot clock 15. Nice pass. Borong, happy birthday, no good. Wow, nice layup, back too strong. Brian, the birthday boy. Go! Oh, good. 6 minutes and 20 second shot clock. Julian Christian. Too strong. Foul Christian. Number 11, fouls. Day, hala, naglingkod mo na yun. Tabunan ta ng gate. Shot clock down to 15. 5 minutes and 54. Shot clock down to 10. Pataka na lang. 5. Basta may guri. Basket counted by Will Nino. Foul, Kyle Borong. Sorry, first personal foul, Kyle. Warning for penalty, Team Proper. 5 minutes and 15. 1 pa 1. 1 point atong score, 21-22. Half shot ang labaw sa Team Proper. 5 minutes, shot lang 15. Too much strong, but Dwayne is on the rebound. Fast break, Cutie. Block by Kyle. Block again by Brian. The Exoon. The power tower of Team Proper. There's a foul. Basket. Counted. Foul. Duwani. First personal one. Again, our time is 4 minutes and 35 seconds. 1 point by TJ. Acknowledge the presence of Dear Jody Ann, our change oil vlogger, is on the side. Is on the side. 15. There's East Travel. Acknowledge the presence of Puma. Shot clock 20. Jimboy, the veteran. Nice! Patay Toto. Jason, is it 2 points by Jason? 23 by Chinko, nabawagya pa ng Proper. 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Again, 3 minutes and 45. Shot clock down to 15. Again. 3 points! TJ! 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Buday, ma-attract mi si mong paa. Buday, ma-attract mi si mong paa. 15. Shot clock down to 10. 3 minutes and 15. Almost blocked. Duane, nice fake. Perimeter. 2 points, Duane. Three minutes. Shot clock down to 15. Again. No good. That's too strong for TJ. Gibasan sa Pikas. Too strong pod. There rebound by TJ. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Shot clock 15. Shot clock down to 10. 2 points, Kyle. Oh! Uy, may saboy. Huwag na diha. 30 pa na, 30. Ay. Go, 30 na, go. Go. Agol. 2 points. 30 pa na. 30 pa na. Oh, 32 na. 32 din, 33. 32. Right. Shot clock down to 10.
Walay paula.
3 points, James, sorry. 1 minute and 35 seconds, 20-second shot clock. Shot clock down to 15. It's Bubra. Foul! Who's foul rep? Ay sabi, pakita sa who's foul. Jason, Sabs. Kapoy. No good. 1 minute and 27 seconds for the second quarter. One point by Kyle Sorella. 1 minute 15. Shot clock 20. Shot clock 15. Shot clock 10. No good. 1 minute. 2 points. Time remaining 50 segundos. 45 segundos. 20 second shot clock. 40 shot clock 15. For 3. 3 points by Jason. James, sorry, James. Malibog sa tani nila. By Chinko, shot clock 15. So on yan, shot clock down to 10, 20 seconds. No good. 15. Rebound by Kenji. That was too strong. 10. Who's foul rep? Pushing foul, Bryle. Second person, 9 seconds. Again, 9 seconds. 1 point. Okay. 5. Not counted. Uy, nagkuha na ba si Bash na nagkuha ako rin. 1, 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1. 10, 9, 9. Ang slow. Hala, Hansley! Grabe, pinaka-strong to nga Tris dyan. Dita kay Bao, it's already. Genesis. Kyle, that perimeter. There's that whistle foul. Si Yamilo di ay nakalimut. No good. Rebound by Hansley. Pinausa kamot. Hala, Hansley. Hala, oh! Out of bounds by Hansley. The dribbler of Team Tagaytay. Bakit naman? Ay, ganahan ko kung si Jason ba, si Jimboy. Para organic encounter. 9 minutes. Shot clock 15. Perimeter by Baro. That was a 2 points for him. Her naman nun. Hindi siya agit si Buday. Jason. Oh, there's an interception. But the ball goes to Team Tagaytay. Shot clock ends. 10. That was so dungog. Oh, na si Jason. Ay, na-foul daan, ref? That was Kyle. First team foul, team proper. 8 minutes and 30. No good. Hala. Gamayag kamot. Intercepted. Ay, no. Wala ra. Ay, din sa ko, doon lang jud ko daan ha. Ayaw nang singgit. Mular ko ang ref. 8 minutos. Dili ra Dwayne. 39-32 na. Agol. Shot clock down to 10. No good. Strong move by Hansley. 39 pa na proper. 2 points diha. O pila man. Very good. 32 plus 2 is 34. Very good. Shot clock down to 15. Kenji. Oh, nice. Offensive. Offensive foul by Kenji. Holding foul and offensive. Holding an offensive foul. Pili. First personal foul, Kuya Kenji. 7 minutes. 39-34, the ball proper. Nice, behind the back. No, wait, there's a whistle ref. Who's foul? That second team foul. Sorry. No good by Kael. 6 minutes and 51 seconds. 1 point by Kael. 40 na. O, ay sa inom pa itong ano? Cutie. 6 minutes and 45. 20. Shot clock. Well, Nino, the point guard of team. Go na ka to. Wala. Traveling by Hansley. Consecutive error by Hansley. Shot clock 20. 6 minutes and 18. Joshua. 4-3. Too short. Oh, Brian is very hands-on.
Happy birthday, Brian. Happy birthday, Brian.
Shot clock down to 10.
Good. Birthday boy na.
Ah, there's a most foul Joshua. Na may mga commentator din sa may gate. Ay, tagay na ko nagmay. Shot clock 15. Block. Ipit. To Kyle. Offensive by Genesis. Sakto ba? Genesis. Gabayan. Offensive. Wala ting foul. 5 minutes and 35 seconds. Again, 5 minutos o 30 na. Well, Nino, shot clock down to 15. The dribbler, sightseeing. Pass to Geraldine, shot clock down to 10. Oh, too strong by Kyle. Oh, well, Nino and Genesis, shot clock 15. Mutanaw pa man. 5 minutes. Well, Nino. 20 seconds shot. Shot clock 15. 4 minutes and 50. Hansley Dara. Strong move by Hansley. Foul by Brian. Substitution. Brian. Segundos. 4-3. Di batayan. Almost, but not quite. Kyle. Pass to Genesis. Shot clock down to 15. Intercepted. Jason. Is that Jason? Oh my God, it's Jason. Oh my God, this is Jason. 15. Foul, Jibol. First personal foul warning for penalty proper. Hansley, that was too strong by Hansley. 2 points. Diko. 40-36. Labaw paghapon ang team proper. 36. Ito. Shot clock down to 10. Two points by Itit. Later. Shot clock 15. Cutie. Why kontra? Mulusot. Oh, there's a pass. Almost intercept. Oh, there's a travel. Kita dyan. Substitution. both teams. Atong oras. Genesis, 3 minutes and 17. Shot clock down to 15. Hindi ko kakaroon. I heard sus. Oh, Jason. The pasa-pasa is quite giving. Jason, Jason is now Dara. Sherman, too strong. 2 points by Sherman. Shermini, 44 na kay size. 2 minutes and 47 seconds. Shot clock 15. There's a reaching by the chairperson. First quarter na, aduhan na siya. 1 point by Gerald. Last row rebound. 2 minutes and 39. Oh, there's Cutie. Cutie, still the Cutie. The Cutie has 2 points. Oh, no good. What the ay. Chipoy, PC. Very cute. 2 points by Adrian. Kuya Juan. 2 minutes and 15. Christian. Shot clock down to 15. Shot clock down to 5. 2 points. 1 minute and 52 seconds. Shot clock down to 15. Down to 10. No good. Rebound by Ipet. There's a foul. What's foul rep? James. Seconds. Oh, that was to foul. Juicy boy. Congratulations for early graduation of chairperson. Maminilikamo, kita ko ato. Yung kisa ito nilikramo kasi twinning it's last row rebound. Again, 1 minute and 32 seconds. 1 point by Duwani. 46-40. 1 minute and 30 seconds. 20-second shot clock. 15, Ipet for 3. Not good. One minute and 13. Shot clock 15. Shot clock down to 10. 5. No good. Seconds to play. There's a whistle, ref. Oh, there's a foul by Cutie. Am I right, ref? Cutie. Geraldine. Second foul, 13 foul. 50 segundos. 45, 20 shot clock. Shot clock 15, 40. 4-3 Kyle. No, that's too strong. Di mo sugot. 35. 20. Pass to Jason for 3. There's a 3-point by Jason, 43. Shot remaining time 20 seconds. 15. 10. 5. End of the third quarter. Basta na yung seconds din. Nagtanaw ko ako nagtanaw diha. Game. Last quarter na niya. Jet. Shot clock down to 10. Puts it in by TJ. Inspired by Aliyah. Ikaw ay uyab-uyab lang yun, nanay. Maduwa mo, ano pa gaguyab? Goal. 49 na goal. 49. Shot clock down to 10. Nay kamot, ubos ang kamot, foul Genesis. La, Kuya Juan. Shot clock still on the 9 seconds. Again, 9 second shot clock. 5. Wait. Oh, there's a whistle by ref and the ball go 9 seconds. 49-43. Epet. Block. Oh, there's an kuan. Shot clock down to 15. That was a wrong pass by TJ. Cutie on the small move. Out of there's a whistle. Okay, that was out. The proper the ball goes to team proper. Prepare next game na pata. Expected na 12 kapinta mahuman. 20 sa shot clock. 8 minutes and 43 seconds. 15. 2 points by Baro. Wow, what an effective follow-up by Baro. May gana na mo'y connection. 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Sababuday palihog. 15. Ay. Ano, Hansley? Yes, that was travel. Dara. Tulo. Oh, fourth quarter na taron ha. Remind lang ko. 8 minutes and 10. Shot clock down to 15. Baro. Wow! That was a co-op by Baro. Ang bastos mo. 8 minutes. Shot clock down to 10. 3 points by Jason. The silent shooter from Team Tagaytay. 20. Shot clock down to 15. 7 minutes and 35 seconds. Shot clock down to 10. Puts it in! A message from TJ Sabillon on the 3-point line. How are they, huh? Oh, Jason, pass to James. 2 points by James. 56-48. 7 minutes and 12. Again, 56. 48. 56-48. 8-8-8. That was travel by TJ. Very good. 56. 6 minutes and 55. 20. Well, Nino. Cutie, way kontra. Easy 2 points by Cutie on the triangle line. 50-56. Hala, maugin sa pra, pero Tagaytay ganina. 15. 6 minutes and 35. Shot clock down to 10. Oh, Cutie. Oh, there's a stepping na gid si Cutie, guys. Kalaon. Saan nyo? Giging. Pagawat sa referee. Okay, shot clock down to 10. Joshua 4-3. Puts it in! O, kuya ko ng Ezekiel. So, di kasi jupan na. Ayaw mag-tuan. 20 second shot clock. 6 minutes. Well Nino. Pass by Jason. Shot clock down to 10. Shot clock down to 5. No good. Hala. Tag-asa ng mga ulo. Nakuag. Hala, Hansley. Itit. Very cute move by Itit. Asa nga naman to, ref? Kasi foul, ref? TJ. Okay, foul 35. Upper. Oras ba? 5 minutes and 34 seconds. 1 point by Cutie. Atong score, 50. Last row rebound. 51 o 59 ang score, ha? 52, 59. Oras na to, 5 minutos o 30 segundos. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Shot clock down to 15. 10. 5. Oh, there's a tikang on that position by Baro. Duha. Namoy tayo duha. Glahos. Joshua.
Yeah, brother ko na.
15. Itit. Shot clock down to 10. Foul on the lower part by blocking foul by Hansley. Ten. Hala, walay nakasabay. That was a move by Kyle. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Basket counted by Jason. 2 points, Jason. Pilay foul, Jit. Warning. 4 minutes and 37 seconds. 3-point play. 1 point. 55-61. 6 points lead. Oras 4 minutes and 30 seconds for the last quarter. Shot clock 20. Shot clock down to 15. Jet, 3 points! Gipaulan pero gipawian og 3 ni TJ. 20 shot clock. Jason. Sorry, sakto doon. 4 minutes. Shot clock 10. 3 minutes and 55 seconds. Shot clock down to 15. Shot clock 10. Oh. Timeout, Tagaytay. Shot clock down to 15. 2 points, strong Kyle. Three minutes and 20. Shot clock down to 15. White contrast Kuya Kenji. That was 2 points. 50 City, 66. 20 shot clock. 15 shot clock. Time remaining 3 minutes. 10 shot clock. Look. Loko TJ ay. Oh. Volleyball player din si Ate. Oh, kalma lang. Jump ball. Bola goes to Tagaytay. Kiss be kiss. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Uy. Hansley. Wala. Nas TJ. Itit. Kakiyot. Tagahanang ni sabay, Upat ang foul. Okay, say foul ato ref. Tagaytay, atong oras 2 minutos o 29 segundos. Ngeong. Last throw, rebound. Substitution, Team Tagaytay. Check clock 20. Hello, Willinho. The jump shooter. Oh, still. Oh, milk. Ano naman mo? Out. Foul to. Out. Ref. Is that out? Seconds. Hello, kontra. That was a brightness pass. And a position of Willinho is giving 67-59. Paghuwat. 2 minutes. Shot clock 15. Foul by Kenjay. Kenjay. How much foul? Second personal foul, 13 foul. 1 minute and 50. Shot clock 10. One minute and 47. 1 minute and 47. 1 minute and 45. 20 second shot clock. 1 minute and 40. Nisabay pa, pero wajud ka palak. 69-59. 10 points lead. Shot clock 20. 1 minute and 25 seconds. Shot clock 15. Kumpiyansa mo by Jason. Huh? Okay, 20 second shot clock. 1 minute and 10 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. Ngeo. Hala. Nanaws Willinho. Seconds to play. 55. Shot clock 15. 2 points para. Seconds to play. 48. 45. Out of bounds. 40 seconds. 41 seconds, sorry. Shot clock 20, 35 seconds. Shot clock 15, 30 seconds. Shot clock down to 10, 25 seconds. No good. 20. Chad, papaliyon ka. Chad. 10. Okay, congratulations Team Proper for winning the game. Uli na Chad. Tawag na ating. Paano na uli? Bago pa naman ang basketball. Okay, congratulations.